Right now, we'll create a crossover cable. A crossover cable is used to connect PC to PC or peer-to-peer. Estimate half an inch of the outer jacket of the UTP cable. Gently strip the outer jacket, and now pull the outer jacket where we strip and arrange it following the sequence of the standard B cable, which is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. To make sure that you follow the right sequence, double check it again. White orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. You'll notice that the tips of the wires are not yet straight. To straighten this, you need to cut the edge of the wire. After cutting the edge, we're now ready to insert this in the RG45. Make sure that the copper part is facing upward. Make sure also that the outer jacket is inserted inside the RG45. Push. Before crimping, check again the sequence of the color of the wires. White orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. And when you're sure with the sequence, you're now ready to crimp this. In this part of the crimper, insert the RJ45, then crimp. And now we're done with this end of the cable. We're now ready to do the other side. Gently strip the outer jacket by estimating half an inch of the UTP cable. And now pull the outer jacket. Okay. Untwist the twisted wire pairs. Then arrange it. Following the sequence. Again, make sure that the sequence is right. White, green, green, white, white, brown, and brown. Make sure that you perfectly align the tips of the wires. Using the crimper, you cut, use the RG45, make sure that the copper part of the RG45 is facing upward, and also make sure that the outer jacket is inserted inside the RJ45. Push. You check the sequence. White, green, green, white, brown, and brown. We're now ready to crimp this by inserting this in this part of the crimper. Crimp. You crimp again. To be sure, again, crimp. And now we already have our crossover cable, which connects PC to PC.